Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to help your friends in Monopoly Go by sending them dice? Here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app and head to your main game screen. Look for the friends icon. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on friends and you will see a list of all your in-game friends. Find the friend you want to send dice to and tap on their name. Once their profile pops up, you will see the option to send dice. Just click on it and voila, you have sent them a little extra luck to keep the game rolling. Keep in mind you can only send dice once per day to each friend, so don't forget to check back regularly. That's it. Sharing dice is a fun way to help your friends climb the leaderboard. Thanks for watching.